We got a special treat for you guys today. This charger. Let's pull it out. There's the box here. Pull it out. And this is weird, but all you can do is just plug it into a regular USB-A adapter, something like this. Have it turn on, and it should start working. This is the weirdest thing I have ever seen. There you go. It's charging. This is the most weirdest thing, but I guess it's understandable if you're playing your game. It won't poke out and hurt you when you're playing, so props to this company right here. And this is how much it costs at a store. If you like what you see, why don't you subscribe for more? Peace.